Patio doors are meant to bring light, fresh air, and easy access to your outdoor space. But for many Taylor, MI homeowners, patio doors can slowly turn from a convenience into a daily frustration. Michigan's seasonal temperature swings, moisture, and wear over time all play a role in common patio door problems. Knowing what to watch for can help you address issues early, before they become expensive repairs. Patio doors that stick or are hard to slide. One of the most common complaints from Taylor homeowners is patio doors that don't slide smoothly. This problem often develops gradually, starting with a slight resistance and eventually becoming a door that requires real effort to open or close. Dirt and debris buildup in the track is a frequent culprit, especially after winter. However, worn rollers, warped frames, or track damage can also cause sticking. In Michigan's climate, repeated freeze-thaw cycles can slightly shift door alignment over time, making smooth operation difficult. Drafts and cold air leaks. If you feel cold air coming from your patio door during winter, you're not alone. Drafty patio doors are a major issue for Taylor homeowners, especially in older homes. Worn weather stripping, poor seals, or outdated single-pane glass allow outside air to creep in. These drafts don't just affect comfort, they can noticeably increase heating costs. A patio door that no longer seals properly makes it harder to keep indoor temperatures consistent during cold Michigan winters. Foggy or cloudy glass panels. Many patio doors use double pane or insulated glass for energy efficiency. When the seal between the panes fails, moisture gets trapped inside, causing foggy or cloudy glass that won't wipe away. This issue is more than cosmetic. Failed glass seals reduce insulation, making your home less energy efficient. Taylor's fluctuating humidity levels and temperature extremes can speed up seal failure, especially in older patio doors. Water leaks around the door frame. Water intrusion is a serious concern for homeowners in Taylor, MI, particularly during heavy rain or snowmelt. If you notice water pooling near your patio door or staining around the frame, it could indicate drainage issues, improper installation, or worn seals. Left unaddressed, water leaks can damage flooring, drywall, and even structural components. Early signs, like damp spots or musty odors, should never be ignored. Broken or malfunctioning locks. Patio door locks often experience more wear than homeowners realize. Frequent use, misalignment, or settling of the home can cause locks to stop engaging properly. This creates both security concerns and operational frustration. A door that doesn't lock securely can also shift slightly, worsening drafts and alignment problems. For families in Taylor, ensuring patio doors lock correctly is essential for peace of mind. Warped or damaged frames. Seasonal expansion and contraction can take a toll on patio door frames, especially if they're made from older materials or weren't properly sealed. Warped frames can lead to sticking doors, gaps, and difficulty locking. In Taylor's climate, moisture exposure combined with temperature changes can accelerate frame deterioration, particularly in wooden or aging aluminum doors. Outdated, inefficient patio doors. Even if a patio door still works, it may no longer meet modern comfort and efficiency standards. Older doors often lack energy-efficient glass, strong seals, and durable hardware. For many Taylor homeowners, upgrading an aging patio door solves multiple problems at once, improving comfort, reducing energy bills, and enhancing overall home appearance. Addressing patio door problems early matters. Patio door issues rarely fix themselves. Small problems like minor drafts or sticky tracks often signal larger issues developing beneath the surface. Addressing these concerns early can save time, money, and stress down the road. For Taylor, MI homeowners, maintaining a functional patio door isn't just about convenience. It's about comfort, energy efficiency, and protecting your home year-round. Whether it's a simple adjustment or a full replacement, understanding common patio door problems is the first step toward a smoother, more comfortable living space.